Good morning, students. This is the description of first chapter of your book Vistas. The name of the chapter, as you can see, is the third level, written by Jack Finney. This chapter is somewhat similar to the chapter you have read in plus one, The Adventure. In this chapter as well, there is a jump of time period, and the main character experiences past, present at the same time. The main character of the chapter is Charlie, and the background of the chapter is Second World War. Because of World War, there was insecurity, fear, worry among the people of those times, and this is also reflected in this story and in the mind of the main character Charlie. The story runs as this: that the main character Charlie has gone to the third level of Grand Central Station, and whereas it is very much obvious that Grand Central Station has only two levels. Levels, students, here refers to, you can say, stories, right? As there are stories in the buildings in the railway stations, and similarly there are stories of Grand Central Station which are called levels. According to all the authorities, in the beginning of the chapter, in 4 or 5 lines, you can see that there are names of different authorities, जैसे कि president of New York Central Station, New Haven, Hartford Railroad. They all these authorities will be very sure that there are just two levels of Grand Central Station, but the main character Charlie says that the Grand Central Station has two levels, and he says that he himself has gone to the third level of Grand Central Station. He says कि जब उसने अपने साइकेट्रिस्ट फ्रेंड को ये बात बताई, and he told him that it was his waking dream wish fulfillment, because he says कि you want to escape from reality because of insecurities that is there in the mind of people because of world war. इसलिए he is feeling that he has gone to some other world, and he has gone to the third level of Grand Central Station. He calls going of Charlie to the third level of Grand Central Station his waking dream wish fulfillment. And he says that his psychiatrist friend says that he wants to escape, right? And listening to this thing, his wife felt that it was because of him that he wanted to escape, but he told him that it was not because of Lucia, his wife, that he wants to escape, but because of the present situation of the world that he wants to escape from reality. He says similarly his other friends also told him that his going to his imagining that he has gone to the third level of Grand Central Station is his imagination, and it is not reality. They say that for him going to थर्ड लेवल ऑफ ग्रैंड सेंटर स्टेशन इज़ अ टेम्परेरी रिफ्यूज फ्रॉम रियलिटी. स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख सकते हो कि इसी पेज के थर्ड लास्ट लाइन में ये फ्रेज़ है, टेम्परेरी रिफ्यूज फ्रॉम रियलिटी. Actually, this means that he wants to escape from reality. That is why he has imagined that he has gone to the third level. और उसके friends ये भी कहते हैं that all other habits of Charlie also point to this thing, that he wants to escape from reality. Refuse means take shelter from reality, right? He wants to hide away from reality, they mean to say. Similarly, they says that his stamp collection habit is also a temporary refuge from reality. In his stamp collection, he also wants to escape from reality or the real world. But Charlie says that his grandfather also used to collect stamps, and in his grandfather's time, there was no insecurity, fear, war, or worry, and he needs not to escape from his reality. And he also says that President Roosevelt, the president of America, also used to collect stamps. So it can't be said that stamp collection habit is a temporary refuge from reality. But whatever, all his friends don't admit this fact, don't believe in this fact that he can go to the third level of Grand Central Station, because there is no third level according to all of them. So his psychiatrist friend called it his temporary refuge from reality, and his other friends called his psychiatrist friend calls it his waking dream wish fulfillment, and his other friends calls it his temporary refuge from reality.